In Scotland specifically, there are a number of priority areas that Scottish Enterprise has identified. You may have seen these around previously, and of course these things are subject to change over time. I promised to add to some of what the Energy Savings Trust was speaking about earlier about funding opportunities. So I'll just go through these really quickly. There's obviously a lot of detail behind them. Just a sample, the Green Jobs Fund, Scottish Enterprise, opens tomorrow. Take a look at that. Don't make the mistake I did. I made the assumption this was funding to help you hire people. It's not. It's about funding projects that generate new jobs. So you're not necessarily actually hiring people. Smart Scotland is open as well for R&D feasibility projects. A number of our speakers today have taken advantage of that particular program in its previous iterations. This is a bit of a heads up heading into summer. There is an additional program around heavy duty vehicles, feasibility projects for up to £500,000 available for those. That you probably won't see that anywhere else publicly for quite a while yet, but just letting you know that it's coming. Also opening this week on Friday, the next round of the Smart Grants from Innovate UK become available. And I guess the big one that's on the horizon, well, literally Horizon Europe. Big, complicated projects, multinational. I think they require at least 3 countries involved and a range of different partners. But if it's the kind of thing you're looking forward to, there is quite a bit around mobility, particularly in connected and autonomous vehicles, logistics and freight, and energy, Scotland's sweet spot. So definitely take a look at those. If you can't track down the different packages that are available, just reach out and we'll be able to get those for you. I believe they're all not 100% confirmed, but you can get sort of a preview of what's coming down the pipeline there. Okay, moving on to the next one. So the Sustainable Mobility Cluster Builder, specifically a couple of initiatives that we've got underway is we're looking to build a pitch book, which again will be the first draft will be available in the summer. We want to make sure we can showcase Scottish companies and businesses doing exciting work in Scotland and sing the praises to the world. So if you want to get involved, definitely get in touch with us. You can see a mock-up there in the image of what that will potentially look like. I'm sure it'll be largely digital, but we might end up with some physical books as well. One specific program that the Sustainable Mobility Cluster Builder offers to SMEs, and this is specifically for Scottish SMEs, is around our tailored business support. So this is a fully funded program, thanks to Scottish Enterprise, where we can basically provide business support. And I know that sounds incredibly vague. So the process is that, connect with us, have a conversation. I think most of the presenters today we've worked with in some way, shape or form under this program, offering different types of support. The first step is, have a conversation. We explore what your challenges and needs are. And based upon that, we can go away and work out how to best help you. So reach out. There's a few examples there on the screen, as I mentioned, but reach out and let's chat and look forward to understanding where we can help address some of your concerns. Again, fully funded on behalf of Scottish Enterprise. Other ways to get involved in the community as a whole. We have a LinkedIn group, so please jump in, take a look at that, get involved. This is where we kind of these events are only roughly quarterly. So in between, we share more information about funding and collaborative opportunities in that LinkedIn group. There will also be updates in there about the next event. If you remember back to the start of the presentation, it will be around autonomous and connected vehicles. And of course, if you get in touch more directly, if you want to be a part of the pitch book, if you want to receive some of this funded support, mobility@urbanforesight.org.